This is a 2017 Kubota KX040-4 mini excavator. It's similar to Caterpillar, Bobcat, John Deere, and more. It's 51,900 Canadian dollars plus tax. It has an enclosed cab with heat and air conditioning. It has a 9,400 pound operating weight and a 40 horsepower 2-speed diesel engine. It has 2,690 hours and digs 11 feet 3 inches deep. It includes a 24-inch tooth bucket and a hydraulic thumb with auxiliary hydraulics. The rubber tracks are at 70%. There is normal wear and tear. This machine fires right up and operates as it should. There's no smoke or apparent leaks. It operates very smooth. It's a nice mid-sized hydraulic excavator, great size to fit into smaller places and powerful enough to get the job done. It is located in Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. Please contact us for more information. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more walk around and demonstration videos.